Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be showcasing our DC-40UTW-Andon-Master-W and DC-10W-Secondary multifunction timer system. So this order is going out to the City of Springfield, Ohio, which is a government building that's located on the northern part of Ohio. How this model is going to be used is it's going to be acting as a timer for the city commissioners during public meetings. What it aims to do is that it's going to let the speaker and everyone in the meeting room know when the meeting's almost over. And this is done by setting the time of day and the countdown and the count up view via our WRCT-8 controller. So as you can see right here, we have both our master and our secondary enclosures, and they are redundant off each other. So whatever happens on the master enclosure is going to happen on the secondary enclosure as well. So I have in front of me, as you can see, our WRCT-8 wireless remote controller, and this is what we're going to be using to switch the time of day in the countdown view, as well as to set it for when to count down to. So I'm going to switch to the count up view, and we do this by clicking the clock and up and down button right here. And as you can see, we are in the uptime view, as you can see on this little dot right there that's located on the digit. So I'm going to simply press the start and stop button, and that continuously increments a hundredth of a second all the way up to 99 hours. So little fun fact, while it's counting up or counting down, you can switch to whatever view, from countdown view to time of day view, and the dot will flash, so that way it will let you know that the timer is counting up or counting down. So as you can see, I'm now back in the count up view, and I'm going to press the start and stop button to stop it, and it stops it, and we have a total of 38 seconds. So I'm going to reset it to 0, and we do that by pressing 0 reset. So now I'm going to showcase the countdown features, and this is where things get a little bit interesting. As you can see, we are in the countdown view, as you can tell by on the bottom dot on the bottom right side of the enclosure. So now I'm going to set the countdown for 20 seconds, and as you can see right here, we can set the countdown via hours, minutes, and seconds. But right now we just want 20 seconds, so I'm going to press the seconds button, and that continuously increments until you reach your desired time, and at that point you press it a second time. Well, it's 22 seconds, but you get the idea. So now I'm going to showcase the unique functions of this countdown timer view. So what we're going to do is I'm going to press set yellow, and now our digits are flashing. That means it's in the set yellow view. So as you can see, we have a total of 15 seconds, and I want to set it to 20 seconds. So I'm going to press the set seconds button one time, and again until we get to 20 seconds. We're in 20 seconds now, so I'm going to press the set yellows button again to set the seconds for when the Andon light goes off and flashes yellow. And now I'm going to press the start and stop button to start down the time. So as you can see, the yellow Andon light is flashing yellow, and the reason it does that is because we set it to flash yellow at exactly 20 seconds. And when it counts down all the way to 0, it's going to flash red. So we have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 2, 1. And when it reaches 0, the Andon light will flash red. And at that point, that lets everybody know, hey, it's time to stop the meeting. So I'm going to press the reset 0 to turn it off. And I'm going to press the last value button to set it to the last value that we set it to. So going over the hardware aspect of this model, we have our tough aluminum black powder coated casing. This is our main enclosure for both the master and the secondary. It is fingerprint resistant and dust resistant as well. The master display size is 4 inches. That could be viewed up to 200 feet away. The secondary's display size is exactly 1 inch, and it has a total viewing distance of 25 feet. The number of digits that each of these two enclosures has is 4 digits, and they can both count up to a total of 99 hours and a hundredth of a second, and they can display the time of day in the 12-hour format. Its power type is a 120 to 240 VAC power wall adapter with a 6-foot cord. For mounting, we have our 4x4 or 2x4 electrical rough in-box slotted teardrops that can be located on both the enclosure. And lastly, for accessories, we have our wireless RF remote controller with 8 sections, and it has a range of 1,500 feet outdoors and 300 feet indoors. The Andon light is another one of our accessories, and it can showcase a total of 5 colors, but for this model in particular, we have it set to flash yellow and flash red. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40UTW-Andon-Master-W and DC-10W-Secondary multifunction timer with a wireless WRCT-8 controller and an Andon light that showcases red and yellow. Thanks for watching.